We've been hearing the word Rastafarians all our lives, but I believe that most of us don't even know who a Rastafarian is.
Well, a Rastafarian is a follower of Haile Selassie, originally called Rastafari. Just like Christians are named after Christ, they become Christians, followers of the Christ. Rastafarians are followers of Rastafari, the emperor of Ethiopia, Haile Selassie.
And did you know that the word Rastafari is actually the original name for Emperor Haile Selassie?
Ras, it's a title, and it's for dignitary, ambassadors, queens and princes and kings. It's a title in the kingdom. Now, Rastafari means head, which is Ras. Tafari means the one to fear. Everybody fear God, righteous?
Yep.
Everyone fears God.
To the Rasta man, he is our divine, supreme being, our God and our King here in Jamaica. But Jamaican people have become more aware of him, his speeches, his philosophy, what he represented. So it means a lot to African people everywhere.
These are all the children of Bob Marley, and that's Bob Marley himself with the inclusion of Haile Selassie. I think Bob Marley really adored him, and I love the fact that Jamaicans are really celebrating the empire in here.
He's a great king. He has done so much for Ethiopia. And he gave us information to come to Ethiopia because he came to Jamaica and he told us that Jamaicans and Ethiopians are blood brothers. And he said, we should invite us to come to Ethiopia. So
We are going home. From that time till now, a lot of Rastas have returned home, and they have seen Shashamani as the promised land and the home of all returnees from the diaspora.
So give thanks to the Ethiopians who acknowledge Rastafari as our God and King, you know.
Hi and hi, Zaciai. Oh,
Rastafari.